It was supposed to be a bike ride, 20 miles through the mountains. But nope, I got a flat tire. Okay, no problem, truck it to the gas station. So we pumped air and it blasted right back out. Bike dream, cancel, triathlon, postpone it again. So I laced up and hit the mountains for a 10-mile run instead. Altitude? Rude. I stopped for water a lot, then boom, running club spotted me, or maybe I spotted them. Either way, they adopted me. Ran a few miles together and totally forgot how tired I was. Then some random trail running, spotted some locals doing something, no idea what it was, but I joined them like I belonged. So, final mountain run, done. 10 miles, done. And I already missed it. Montana, I'll be back.